This video is gonna show how to turn debug mode on or off on your system. It could come up where there's an issue happening on your system and technicians want to put the system in debug mode so that it can get more logs. And then in turn that can help us maybe point in the right direction as to what may be causing your issue. It is important to know that you only want to turn it on for a period of time that technician says to. You don't want to leave it on, so right after they're done getting the data they need, then you want to turn it off immediately, just because it creates a lot of logs and that can really slow down your system. So essentially, first thing you want to do from the welcome menu is you want to select your core software. And then after that, you want to go to select system settings under administration. So you can do that right here. You can use your icons. And basically, once you're on system settings page, we want to go to global. And essentially right here underneath where you see your system key and product key is you're going to see this debug mode. So essentially what you want to do is check mark it. And then you're going to hit this save and exit. It's going to tell you that you need to restart system, but what we really need to do is restart the service. So we're just going to hit OK. It's going to bring us back to the system settings page. So over here on the left under administration, we want to go to control center. And then it's going to say applications, plugins, files. We want to go to applications. We want to select VT3000 service. It's going to say that it's running. What we want to do is we want to hit stop. And we want to wait like 5 or 10 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and hit start. Now then the square button means it's running again. If not, you can just hit this refresh button until it says running. And now what you're going to notice is up here in your corner, it's going to say debug mode is on. Now it will say that automatically right after you click that button, but it doesn't actually engage until you stop this service. So you're going to get the information that you need, the technician needs, and then his part's going to be over or her part's going to be over, and we're going to need to turn this debug mode back off. So basically we're going to do a reverse process. So administration system settings, we're going to select that. We're going to go here to global, and then we're basically going to take this debug mode, we're going to uncheck it. We're going to hit save and exit. And then it's going to tell us to restart. We're going to hit OK. We're going to go back here to our control center under administration. We're going to select applications. We're going to select the VT3000 service. We're going to hit that stop. We're going to give it like 5 seconds or so. Refresh. If it doesn't say stop, then it's got like skull and crossbones. Once that comes back up as where we can hit a play button, we're going to click that or start button. And we're going to wait until we're going to hit refresh until we see running. Once it's running, we'll see that this is off. Now we know that debug mode is no longer running. That will conclude this video on how to turn the debug mode on and off. Forward to talking to you again.